MG Ride back with you. Now, it's been a couple weeks since I've uploaded anything. I was trying to get my internet access installed here at the new place before I actually got out of the old place for a seamless transition. That turned out not to be quite so seamless at all. They said they were going to give me a call an hour before they would show up here to install it, and that it would be any time between 8 and 5. And I told them, well, I'm going to be in and out all day long between the two places. But as long as I get that phone call an hour beforehand or text, no problem. I can make it happen. I never got a phone call, never got a text. For some reason, they actually emailed me that they would be here in a half an hour, which I didn't see the email for 2 or 3 hours, and came back to a note saying that they missed me. Then when I rescheduled, no one showed up. So then I was sick for a week, and now I got them scheduled to come back out again. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be up and running, and I'll be able to actually upload this video, because my cell service also is miserable, I hear. I'm in a black hole, and I cannot get enough bars to upload anything using my phone right now either. So we got some technical difficulties we got to sort out before I can actually make my videos on a weekly basis work like I need to. But we're going to get back to showing you some stuff from the MGA that was filmed throughout the move. For those of you who may be wondering what's going on with the MGA, here it is. I'm working on rubbing it out right now. It's been going a little bit on the slow side because all the stuff with the shop move and buying the new house and everything's taken enough of my time that I can't get nearly as much time into this as I was hoping to get. And I was trying a new paint system on this car, and the clear coat is a bit harder than the stuff I used to use, and it is taking a bit more time and effort to get it all rubbed out and buffed up to a good shine. But we are moving along on it and getting some stuff done. So we got the front all done. The back was already done. I got it covered up for now. Got the whole engine bay covered up so I don't splatter it with all of the rubbing compound. So now I'm ready to start rubbing out the fenders, doors, and start hanging those. Work is continuing on the 60 MGA restoration project. I'm getting all the fenders slowly rubbed out and right now loosely hung onto the car. It has been quite difficult to get this thing put together because the cleaning and moving of the shop has been taking way more time than I initially anticipated it would. Giving me a little time to get this thing finished up, but I've got to get this thing at least so far along so that I can take it back to the owner's house rather than back to my new shop. I can finish up lighting and stuff in his garage if I have to. So I got the splash shields here cleaned up. Got some etch primer on there drying. Now I'm gonna have to run into town to get some undercoating. Usually use a paintable undercoating on here before I paint them, but all that stuff got packed up and is in boxes somewhere. So I need to go buy some more so I can finish these up. Well, we are now officially out of time. This car has to go on the trailer today in probably about a half an hour or so, and back over to the owner's home where I'll finish it up over there. So right now I am snugging the fenders down just enough to where it's not going to cause a problem to get it over there for that short distance on the trailer that it's going to take. I really wanted to get a little bit further along, but everything about the move has just been taking so much more time than I hoped it was going to take that I just couldn't get enough done on this thing. Couldn't find the time. So here we are. Well, we got it all loaded onto the owner's trailer, ready to go back over to his place. I did drive it up onto the trailer, so it was good verification that the clutch is actually working the way it should and that properly bled and everything. I tested it on jack stands but hadn't tried to drive it yet. So it's all tied down, and we're probably load up a few more parts and get it over there. Here we are, the absolute last chance to get anything out of this place that I want to keep. It'll be my very last load. There was a bit of a miscommunication. They told me I'd have one more day than I actually ended up having. And they've already cut all the power. And this place will be tore down tomorrow. A lot of cars were fixed in here. Probably about a dozen full-on restorations. Every model of MG from the TD or TC all the way to the last rubber bumper B, including magnets. Jaguar E-types, Austin Healey, Triumph TR3s, TR6s, Spitfires, Jag E-types, even a Lotus Elan was worked on in this shop. And tomorrow will be nothing but a flat piece of dirt. But then I got a whole new shop to set up and get going on, and I'm sure things will be much better over there once I get it all set up.